Small footprint, serious capability. The XT20 delivers everything you expect from a MasterCraft. Powerful surf performance, premium comfort, and thoughtful design, all wrapped in a 20-foot package that fits your life. With room for up to 12 and a hull that's been precision engineered for smooth rides and clean, customizable waves, the XT20 is proof that size doesn't limit performance. Whether you're surfing, wakeboarding, or even skiing, the XT20 delivers a best-in-class experience every time. At the helm, you'll find a fully redesigned captain's chair and a sleek new dash layout featuring a 12-inch touchscreen, keyless ignition, and MasterCraft's intuitive MyDrive interface, making on-the-fly adjustments to speed and surf settings simple and seamless. Inside, every inch of space is maximized. From deep storage and an integrated cooler to standard transom seating and an optional flip-down swim step, the XT20 balances style and function beautifully. Add cool feel upholstery to keep seats 30% cooler, and choose from all new gel coat and vinyl options to make the boat 100% yours. And now the XT20 is equipped with MasterCraft Soundstage, our all-new multi-zone, custom-tuned system that delivers immersive, high-fidelity sound with purpose-built precision. So every seat gets an audio experience that's rich, balanced, and unforgettable. And when it comes time to ride, SurfStar makes it effortless to create the perfect wave for every rider. Fast Fill ballast cuts down wait time, and with a standard 5.3-liter Ilmor engine under the hatch, you get 380 horsepower and more torque with better fuel efficiency than ever before. Whether you're navigating a size-restricted lake, looking for easier storage, or just want a boat that packs serious punch without taking up serious space, the XT20 is your go-anywhere, do-anything answer. Looking for a deeper dive into all the XT family has to offer? Head to our site to watch the full walkthrough video.